What if I told you that doing just 50 squats a day could completely change your body? No gym, no weights, no machines, just your body and a little consistency. Most people have no idea what really happens when you commit to this simple move. But after watching this video, you will. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly what happens when you do 50 squats every single day, and why this one small habit could transform your strength, posture, and confidence. Make sure to stick around until the end, because there's one powerful benefit that almost everyone overlooks. Squats are easily one of the most effective bodyweight exercises out there. They work your legs, glutes, core, and even your lower back. The best part is that you can do them anywhere, at home, at the gym, or even during a quick break at work. So let's talk about what really happens when you do 50 squats a day, every day. During the first week, you'll probably feel sore, especially in your thighs and glutes. That soreness is a good thing. It means your muscles are being challenged, broken down, and rebuilt stronger. As your body starts to adapt, you'll notice that movements like walking upstairs or sitting down and standing up begin to feel smoother and easier. By the second week, your legs will start to feel more stable and powerful. You might catch yourself moving with more control, and your glutes will start to feel firmer. Then, by the third week, something interesting happens. It starts feeling natural. You've built a habit. Your balance improves, your coordination sharpens, and your lower body endurance increases dramatically. After a full month, 50 squats a day will feel surprisingly easy. That's because your muscles have adapted. Your legs are stronger, your glutes are more toned. Your posture may even improve thanks to a stronger core and better hip alignment. However, there's one thing to keep in mind. Doing 50 squats every day is great, but it's not a magic solution. If your goal is to build bigger muscles or serious strength, you'll eventually need to add resistance. Dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands can help you continue making progress. Still, bodyweight squats are a powerful foundation and a perfect place to start. There's also one benefit that people often forget: confidence. When you move better, feel stronger, and stay consistent, you begin to feel more in control of your body. That confidence doesn't just stay in the gym. It carries over into every part of your life. So, should you start doing 50 squats a day? Absolutely. It's a simple habit with huge long-term benefits. If you can't do all 50 in one go, break them into smaller sets throughout the day. And if you're already strong, challenge yourself with 75 or even 100 squats. The secret isn't perfection. It's consistency. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and tell us in the comments how many squats you're doing today. And of course, subscribe for more nonsense fitness tips and practical challenges right here on MuscleBot. Remember, small actions done daily lead to massive results.